Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, class 8 boys and girls. How are you? It's my hope that you are fine, and I'm fine too. We are still looking at the topic on money, whereby we began by looking at the profit and loss. We looked at discount and percentage discount. We looked at commission, and we looked at bills. So I want us to look at the hire purchase price. Hire purchase price is a situation whereby an item is sold and is stored at a deposit. That is, you pay some small down payments from the total price of the item. Then the remaining amount of money is paid at regular intervals, which are called the monthly installments. This is a situation, for example, you purchase an electronics for example, you purchase a television set which costs like 50,000 shillings. Then you pay a deposit, that is a small amount of money at, for example, you pay 30,000 shillings. So the remaining amount of money, that is 20,000, you decide to pay it at regular intervals. Those are called the installments. That is now the hire purchase price. So in this topic, we are going to look at the deposit. Deposit, this is the first or the initial payment. The initial payment of an item, which is also called the down payment. You pay the deposit so that you are allowed to go with the item that you are purchasing. You pay the first payment, the initial payment, that is a fraction of what the total amount or the total price of the item. So you pay the deposit. Then the remaining amount of money is what we call the monthly installments. The monthly installments. These are the intervals at which the remaining amount of money is paid. The intervals at which the remaining amount of money is paid. And in this time, from the word monthly, this means we were calculated per month. Is paid per month. The remaining amount of money is paid per month. For example, so we say the hire purchase price. The hire purchase price is given by the deposit plus the total monthly installments. To get or to calculate the hire purchase price, you add the deposit plus the total monthly installments. The total monthly installments, which are called the total monthly installments, are given by the amount that is paid per month, times the total number of months. The total monthly installments is given by the amount that is paid per month times the total number of months. I'm going to give you an example. So that we can be able to explain, to understand the meaning of the hire purchase price. Somebody bought a television set by paying a deposit. Of 20,000 shillings. By paying a deposit of 20,000 shillings. The remaining amount of money was paid for 4 months. Whereby each month this person paid 800 shillings per month. A person bought a television set by paying on hire purchase terms on hire purchase terms by paying a deposit of 20,000 shillings, and the remaining amount of money was paid for 4 months at 800 shillings per month. Calculate how much did he pay for that television set. So here we are looking for the hire purchase price. And to get the hire purchase price, we have first to get, because we have the deposit, we have to get the total monthly installments. Whereby I say the total monthly installments, to get the total amount of money, that means after every month he was paying 800 shillings. After every other month, this person paid 800 shillings. So the total amount of money paid for the 4 months, that is what we call the total monthly installments. The amount paid per month, that is 800, times the number of months, which is times 4. So this is 3,200 shillings. That is the total monthly installment. That means after the 4 months, after paying the 20,000 shillings, after 4 months, this person had paid 3,200 shillings. So the hire purchase price, we say the hire purchase price is given by the deposit plus the total monthly installments, whereby in our case our deposit here is 20,000 shillings plus the total monthly installment, that is 2,000 shillings. So this person paid a total of 52,000 shillings, and that is the hire purchase price. 52,000 shillings. That is the hire purchase price. So I said the hire purchase price is whereby you buy an item by paying a deposit, which is the initial payment or the down payment, plus the remaining amount of money paid at regular intervals, which are called the monthly installments. That means the amount of money is paid per month. And I said that to get the total monthly installments, you calculate the number of months times the amount that is paid per month. That is the total monthly installments. Therefore, your hire purchase price will be the deposit paid plus the total monthly installments. That is how you calculate the hire purchase price. Thank you very much.